Java is one of the most popular programming languages, but even seasoned developers stumble on a few common mistakes. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these errors can slow you down. In today's video, we're breaking down the top Java mistakes and showing you how to avoid them like a coding ninja. Let's dive in. Null pointer exceptions. These can be a nightmare. This happens when you try to access a method or field of a null object. The solution? Use optional classes, null checks, or even better, avoid nulls altogether by initializing your variables properly. Tools like IntelliJ IDEA even provide inspections to catch potential null pointer issues early. Throwing and catching exceptions without a clear plan can lead to messy code. Always catch specific exceptions rather than generic ones. And remember, logging your exceptions effectively is key to debugging quickly. Check out frameworks like SLF4J or Logback for cleaner logs. Memory leaks in Java? Yep, they can happen. It's often due to improper use of collections, listeners, or large objects that never get garbage collected. Tools like Visual VM can help identify memory leaks in your application, so don't skip performance testing. Static variables can be convenient but are often misused. They hold a global state, which can lead to unexpected bugs, especially in multi-threaded environments. Always ask yourself, does this really need to be static before using it? Skipping unit testing is like building a house without checking the foundation. Frameworks like Junit and TestNG make it easy to write robust tests. They might seem like extra work now, but they'll save you tons of debugging time later. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll write cleaner, more efficient Java code. Remember, programming is a journey of continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. What's the biggest Java mistake you've made? See you next time.